wait to look at the new Sequoia. Beautiful color here on the, I believe this is the 4Runner, if I'm correct, Toyota 4Runner. I think that's what this is. That's a very cool color going on. Let's see here. Yep, 4Runner going on here. TRD Pro variant, beautiful color. Look at the interior. Oh wow, nice handle right there for getting in and stuff. Cup holder. Looks like we got another cup holder there in the back. That's a very low cup holder, but very nice looking. Checking out the beautiful TRD wheels and tire combo. Looks like we got, I'm gonna guess that that's rear tire there. But this is a cool color, I like it. Very nice taillights. Yeah, these are definitely a very cool vehicle when it comes down just to styling. Definitely like these. Checking out the front here. We got nice leather interior. Oh, we actually have a step now. There is no step boss. That's going to be kind of interesting for me to get in. But up we go and in. Alright, a little bit on the difficult side just getting in without a step boss, and someone has already stolen the shift knob. Ah, that's lovely. But moving on from that, very comfortable seat. Very comfortable seat. Fairly decent looking interior here. Got the door temperature zones going on. Someone's already stolen the knobs for the volume and tune scroll. I mean, whatever. But this is nice. I'm not sure if this works. Oh, it does. So there's your glove box. Kind of small, but not too bad. And looking over here, cup holder wise, we got a cup holder carbon fiber. That looks good. As I said, we're missing all the shifters. That's interesting. Cup holder up here. I don't see any charging. Oh, okay. Yep, charging port is down here. So that right there. Then you got your regular charger right there. So nice. I definitely like it. That's a very cool color. And definitely a bit of a drop off getting in and out, but I definitely like it. It's definitely a cool looking vehicle. Yeah. That's a cool looking vehicle.